Welcome to this 5-minute meditation healing hearts. If you're here, it's because you're ready to let go of someone and create space for healing and new beginnings. Let's take a moment to prepare. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Gently close your eyes and let your body settle. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's begin. Take another deep breath in, reflective and soothing. And as you exhale, let go of any tension in your body. Soften your shoulders. Relax your jaw. And allow your hands to rest gently. Now, bring to mind the person you're ready to let go of. Picture them clearly in your thoughts. Notice how you think of them, whether it's sadness, anger, or even love. Whatever it is, let it be. There's no need to judge or resist. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, say to yourself, it's okay to let go. Imagine this person standing in front of you. In your mind, speak to them. Say, thank you for the lessons, the memories, and the moments we shared. You've been a part of my journey, and for that, I'm grateful. But now, it's time for us to walk separate paths. Visualize them turning and walking away. As they do, feel a sense of release. You're not erasing them from your heart. You're simply making space for new growth. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, let them go. Feel the weight lifting from your chest. You're free. Now imagine a bright, warm light surrounding you. This light represents new beginnings, new connections, and new experiences. Feel it filling your heart, healing any wounds, and opening you to the possibilities ahead. Say to yourself, I am open to new love, new friendships, and new joy. I trust that life has beautiful things in store for me. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel that openness, that readiness for what's to come. Finally, bring your attention to the people in your life who care for you deeply. Picture their faces. Feel their love, and let gratitude fill your heart. Say to yourself, I am thankful for the love and support around me. I am not alone. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a sense of peace and completeness. You've done the work of letting go, and now you're ready to move forward with a lighter heart. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember, healing is a journey, and you've just taken a beautiful step forward. Thank you for joining me in this meditation.